Hi everyone, this is BEEREDDY SREEJA URK22CS1148. I'll be explaining my lab experiment for a personalized book recommendation system using Olama, FICE, and Gradio. The system takes a user interest and preference as input and recommends books with AI generated explanation. First, I download the Numeric embed text model using Olama. This model is used to generate embeddings, which are numerical representations of text. We will use this embeddings to compare how similar different books summaries are. Next, I imported FAS, a high performance library developed by Facebook for similarity search. It, it helps us quickly find the most similar book summaries, summaries to a user query. This one. Here I generated embeddings for each book summary in the dataset using a function called get_embedding. Such summary is converted into a vector of numbers that captures its meaning. This is how we can later compare user queries with book summaries mathematically. Now I create a fast index to store all these embeddings. The index uses L2 distance to measure similarity between vectors. Finally, I add all book embeddings to the tag indexed. Fast will then allow us to find the top K most similar books for any new query. And this function handles the recommendation search where a user enters a query like I want to improve problem solving skills in maths and CS. The system converts it into an embedding and searches the fast index for the three more similar book summaries. And this Once the top books are found, I built a prompt that includes the user interest, preference, and the top recommended books. The prompt is sent to the Olama model asking it to explain why these books are good match. And next to this, here I send the constructed prompt to the Olama API, which generates a natural language explanation. The AI model describes how each book relates to the user goals and preference. uh, for example, if the user query is, I want to improve problem solving skills in math and computer science, and preferences are prefer computer science and mathematics, the model might recommend books like How to Solve It by Polio and Algorithm Design Manual, and explain that they strengthen analytical and computational problem solving skills. And this To make this interactive, I use Gradio. It allows user to enter their query and preferences in a simple web interface. Uh, Here I define two text boxes for inputs, one for interest and another for preference, and one large output box to display the recommended books and AI generated explanation. Finally, I launched the Gradio app. It opens in the browser where the user can type the query and instantly get personalized recommendations with detailed explanation. And the summary of working, it converts all book summaries into embeddings using Olama embedding model. It stores them in the fast index for fast similarity searching. It embeds the user query and finds the top matching books. It It then sends everything to an AI model which writes a natural language explanation for the results. The final output, recommended books and AI justification, appears in the graduate interface. And now let me show the output. And this is what your interests are. Here I will give math, and here my preference is math, and here I'll submit, and here we will get the book, personalized book.